Sometimes it feels like the weight of the world is on your shoulders. For me, it's the weight of my family's legacy. Then one day, I found something that could change everything: a steel motorcycle lift table that could handle 1,500 pounds. As I started using the lift, it became more than just a tool. It brought in customers and stories. But just as things were looking up, a corporation came knocking, ready to take everything away. Together we can show them the power of community and what this shop means to us all.